with the 2019 iPhone 11s dropping in September, which mind you is less than 90 days, we are getting a lot of leaks. Not only that, we are also getting some 2020 iPhone leaks as well, so be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss out on some crucial information. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the 2019 iPhones. It seems like there's nothing much that's coming to it. All we know is that we're getting the iPhone 11R, the 11, and the 11 Max. The design of it is basically the exact same, except for the camera, which we will probably get the wide-angle lens. Aside from that, the volume ringer will be changed just slightly, and the phones will be thicker as well. We'll probably get some new camera features. There's also some features that Apple will be removing as well, such as the removal of 3D Touch. That is all we know about this phone. But that is about it. Now let's talk about skins. These can protect your devices without putting a case on, although it doesn't help that much. There are two prominent brands that sells these skins. There are Slick Wraps and D-Brand. My preferred brand is Slick Wraps, while yours may vary. I would agree that D-Brand is obviously the better brand, but Slick Wraps has more variety, and you can customize the custom prints, which to me is more important. I like to put skins on basically everything I have, just to prevent it from scratching, and keeping it looking cool with custom designs.
Hey guys, I ran out of clothes to wear, so I'm gonna have to go to the mall and make the video longer. Yeah!
Now let's talk about the 2020 iPhones. They seem to get all of the new features, such as a squared-off design, like the iPad Pros. And the 2020 iPhones will no longer have the R version. They will instead have a 5.4-inch, a 6.1-inch OLED, and a 6.7-inch OLED. The 5.4-inch will probably be a replacement or Apple's compromise of the iPhone SE. It will be exactly the same as every other phone, except it will be smaller. And the 6.7-inch will be the biggest iPhone ever created by Apple. Of course, they will also be getting the 5G modems from Qualcomm, as mentioned by Digitimes.
Thank you for watching the entire video. Be sure to like and subscribe by clicking here, and to my left there are two videos. Choose your favorite one and watch it. Okay,